Ambient Projects have been creating quality heating, ventilation and air conditioning solutions for almost 20 years. From design through to installation management, Ambient have participated in some of the largest commercial and industrial projects in New Zealand. Comprehensive designs achieve better efficiency, reliability, comfort and cost effectiveness, all delivered with pride and exceptional customer service. As a preferred supplier to both national and international companies, Ambient Projects provide superior designs and impressive installations. Share in their success by giving them a call today.